welcome to another video on my channel. We're on another trip. Woo! We just arrived at the hotel. We kind of just slept in the car. Last night I slept over at Mia's house because she lives closer to where our trip started today. 7 a.m. in the morning. It's almost 11 and we're gonna eat soon and then we're gonna go to a waterfall. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's really hot outside. Let's go! Hi, you might wonder who I am. I am Anna, the same girl, just 5 months in the future because I didn't want to edit this video beforehand because the footage is an absolute mess. If there are plot holes during this vlog, I will appear and explain what's going on. But enough talk for now. I will be handing the mic back to past Anna. So we arrived, we got food, and this So we're here. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. It's pretty nice. It was kind of a walk. We all expected to walk like half an hour. I think we walked like an hour and a half now. I'm kind of exhausted, but it's nice to go here. I'm kind of scared for the way back because we will have to go the whole way back. But you know, it's fine. It's okay. We're just chilling. This place was absolutely beautiful. There was this waterfall, there was a natural pool, a waterfall behind that. But because of the waterfalls, the current was pretty strong, which I will demonstrate with this video. I told you, but it was fun. We were back in the hotel. It's already dark outside now. It's like almost 6 p.m. Yeah, after we were in the waterfall, we just walked back. The way back was 1,000 times better than the way going there because we didn't have so much sun. It's gonna go to like a little supermarket to get some snacks and then money. Would be a great idea. Stop! We're going to the supermarket to get some snacks and after that we're gonna get pizza. It's a really healthy retreat. It's raining. I don't have. Fun fact, I didn't bring a fucking rain jacket to Costa Rica. Hallo! So we're in the store, we have like 10 minutes time to like get us. Do you want chips? We decided to get cake. We don't know how we will hide that from the others. So we got a cake and the other girls got chips. We got Oreos. We're gonna have. I just hope it doesn't melt. And then we ate the cake. We didn't even finish half the cake because it was so sweet. But it was good. It was good. And we ate the rest of the cake for breakfast. Good morning and welcome to the beach. Okay, so I think we're in a national park. Where we are right now is all preserved, which is pretty nice. Like Costa Rica has a bunch of just national parks, which is wonderful. And we're just gonna see what the day brings. Right now it's still a little shadowy, not so hot, but I think it's gonna get pretty hot today. So yeah, let's see.
Pictures of the nights and sights I know will come.
Ach, dir ist schlecht, dann mach nicht.
Fand ich
Okay, ist alle
Okay, pass auf mir.
So, we're finished with the boat tour. It was so much fun. We're all a little sunburned. I am definitely a little. We got to see whales, we got to see tortoises, and it was just really, really fun, and everyone had a great time. To be honest, on the last meters, we had to like kind of surf the waves back to the shore, and I was getting a little seasick. Other than that, I'm great, we're all great. Like, I'm a little sunburned, Mia is quite a lot. And we're gonna eat something now. It's only 1 p.m. and we have already done like so much productivity. Ich hab halt guck mal hier vom Rucksack hier. We're in the restaurant and we're all pretty sunburned and we all don't look as good as we normally look. And our waiter is cute now. Which is sad. Pura vida. Ich esse das jetzt nicht mehr auf. Good morning. So I didn't end up filming anything more yesterday because I had like a really high temperature and now everything's good. I'm better. I still have a small headache and I'm pretty sunburned. Apart from that, I'm good, and right now I'm just packing. So I'm packing already, so just everything's ready. So yeah. So right now we were in this hall with like a bunch of butterflies. I even had one on my hand, which was pretty cool. Like, they were all really pretty, but there was this one kind of butterfly with like blue wings, but they were so hard to capture, but they were really, really beautiful. And the others already went to the waterfall, and that's where we're going now as well. Probably pretty loud, but it's really cool. You're like in this beautiful waterfall stream thing, and there's a natural pool. This was the last stop on our trip. We're going eating. Like, it's not over, but it's like it was the last attraction. Let's be honest, we're living the dream right now. Like, not every day looks like this. We have normal days as well, but like these trips are definitely in highlights. That's exactly.